Good times, great wings, and a whole lot more. That's Hurricane Grill and Wings. Hurricane, live with flavor.